So children, have you understood the poem? Have you understood? Okay. Then I will ask some questions to you, and you see it. I will discuss the comprehension question answer. Okay. Question number 1. What is the poem about? What is the poem about? Poem te kaha bisayare achi? The poem is about the thinking process of a child who tells what he or she wants to be when he or she grows up. The poem ti gote child ro thinking process upar achi je ki bada hele se kon karibo se bisayare kuhaichi. Who is I in this poem? The poet or the child? Is I in this poem? Number 3. What does the child want to be in the first stanza? In the first stanza, the child wants to be a detective with a master key. First stanza re jane detective haba pai child te ichha karchi. Number 4. In the second stanza, the child likes 3 types of works. What are they? Second stanza जो 3 प्रकार 3 type of works करिया को चाहिए child से गुड़िका कौन? In the second stanza, the child likes soldier, sailor, and the zookeeper professions. Okay? A profession 3 wish करचे. Number 5. In which stanza does the poet describe a child's interest for music? The poet describes the child's interest for music in the third stanza. Ko stanza re? Third stanza re. Question number 6. How does he want to fly to the moon? Moon को केमिति से उड़िया पे चाहिए. He wants to buy a private spaceship and fly to the moon. Private spaceship बाकनी सेतरे moon को जिबा को चाहिए. Number 7. What does the child want to be in stanza 4? The child wants to be an express diesel train driver or a lighthouse keeper in stanza 4. Number 8. Is the last stanza different from other stanzas? अलगा अन्य स्टांजा ठू जो लास्ट स्टांजा टा किछ डिफरेंट अछि कि? How? Yes, the last stanza is different from other stanzas because in all other stanzas the child expresses his or her interest for some particular professions. But in the last stanza, he or she says he or she can do all these things one by one. He or she does not talk about any particular profession here. तो लास्ट स्टांजा रे से कौन सी पर्टिकुलर प्रोफेशन ऊपर कहिने जोटा कि अलगा स्टांजा से कहिछि. Next, the poet wants to take off different types of work. Which lines tell you so? को लाइन गुडा तुम कहउछि different types of works करिया पे चाहउछन बोले. The first 2 lines of the last stanza tell us the reason why the child wants to take up different jobs. Code line, the first 2 line of the last stanza. कौन था first 2 line रे? For the more one lives, the more one learns. तमे ए दुईटा स्टांजा था कहउछि से बहुत different type रो वर्क करिया पे चाहिछथि. 10. Does he want to take off only one job he describes or all the jobs one after another? से एका संगे से गुडा करिया को चाहिछन ना गोटे पर गोटे करिया को चाहिछन? He wants to take off all the jobs he describes one after another. Which word or phrase tells so in the last stanza? Last stanza रो को word बा को phrase उडा कहउछि जे से गोटे पर गोटे करिया पे से words उडा चाहिछथि. I think I will be all these things and go on taking turns. ए दुईटा phrase, these phrases in the last stanza tell us so. Why does he want to take off all the jobs one after another? काहे कि गोटे पर गोटे करिया चाहिछथि. He wants to take off all these jobs one after another because the more one knows different things or lives, the more one learns. In which stanza does he want to take off minimum number of jobs? को stanza रे कम सबठु कम number of job अछि? In the first stanza, the child wants to take off minimum number of jobs. नहीं कि first stanza रे कौन थला? खाली detective है मास्टर की नहीं. Number 14. In which stanza does he want to take up maximum number of jobs? को stanza रे बेसी number of jobs करिया चाहिए. In the last stanza, the child wants to take off maximum number of jobs. He wants to take off all the jobs in this stanza. Last stanza रे से कहते one after another करिवे. Number 15. Can you relate to the child in this poem? How? Yes, I can relate to the child in this poem. Like this child, I also think of taking up many professions, and I wish I could do all the jobs one after another, like the child says in the poem. तमे से पोएट चाइल्ड संगे तमे रिलेट कर परिबो कि? Yes, you can relate. Number 16. What all the professions have the child mentioned in this poem? ए पोएम रे कौन कौन सब प्रोफेशन मेंशन कराई छी? Detective with a master key, soldier, sailor, zookeeper, musician, astronaut, spaceship pilot जो कहते astronaut, express train driver, lighthouse keeper. So children, this is all about our poem When I Grow Up. So read the poem 5 times at home and write the comprehension question and questions with answers in your school copy. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.